Hey everybody, Charlie here. I'm the founder and CEO of Empowering Pumps and Equipment, and I get to do our WEFTEC pre-show interviews. I'm so excited about this because I get to meet with our partners and just connect with them about what's all the great things that they're doing, and look forward to at these trade shows. So we're talking about WEFTEC, and so that's going to be in New Orleans that week of October the 7th. And I hope that y'all will join us. And so, without further delay, Paul, jump on here, introduce yourself to everyone.
Thanks, Charlie. And thanks again for inviting me to participate today. My name is Paul Keough, and I'm the global industry leader for AW Chesterton. I've been with Chesterton for a little over 25 years. And I think I was trying to figure out how many times I've been to WEFTEC without dating myself, so to speak. But I'm pushing 20 plus years going to WEFTEC. So
Yeah, well,
looking
we
forward
love
to it
it.
again this October.
Yes, and so we'll be there in October. And I always love to be able to say, like, we're with an expert here. So he knows his stuff. Y'all make sure y'all come by and ask for Paul. Tell him, that you saw him online. Uh, That'll be great. And so, Paul, let us know a little bit about, first of all, the shirt that you got going on. You've got the
Huh,
140th anniversary. Tell
yeah.
us about this celebration.
Yeah, Cheston's celebrated this past spring its 140th anniversary. And it's a pretty remarkable transition, if you will, for a company, family owned still, and going back to the waterfront of Boston, selling steamship parts and engineering supplies, and now we went from that. Now we're kind of like a global trusted supplier for a variety of industries, including water and wastewater. And so
Yes,
we're proud of that. We're going to showcase that in Nolans.
absolutely, absolutely. And I'm proud to be a partner with y'all. I've loved this story. I love just thinking about that as far as a company, a family-owned brand that is still serving our customers, our industry. So let's talk about it. You've got lots of different products and services for the water and wastewater industry, and you'll be displaying those at WEFTEC. So tell us about it.
So, it's interesting. One of the things we pride ourselves on with respect to the Chesterton product lines, it's so comprehensive, okay, for a variety of different products that really drive to reliability and dependability and helping our clients and our customers run their operations more efficiently and reliably. So, each and every WEFTEC, and this is no exception, we're going to be showcasing each and every one of those product lines. And if you'd like, I can give you a quick snapshot of what those product lines are.
Absolutely. Let's
Okay,
let's do it.
let's do it, right? So I'm going to start with our ARC industrial coatings. Now, we provide coatings for both metal and concrete, and they promote efficiency, they reduce energy consumption, and while they're protecting these surfaces from corrosion, erosion, and chemical attack. So in the water and wastewater industry, obviously, there are scenarios and situations where all those elements come into play. And so our coatings are extremely well suited for those challenges that we have to deal with on a day-to-day basis in water and wastewater. And then we have our engineered polymer solutions. And one aspect specific to water and wastewater is the bearings seal designs that we have that also extend the reliability of bearing operation. Probably one of the key concerns and one of the key areas where premature failures related to pumps and all are bearings. Okay, so having increased seal reliability is really paramount. We also have a complete line of industrial lubricants, for bearing lubrication and the like. Also, MRO products. Okay, so those help reduce value-added repetitive maintenance practices. All that adds up to money, right? And labor costs associated with that. So if we can mitigate that in any way possible, you've got a better mousetrap, so to speak.
Absolutely. And we've talked on here several times about maintenance and reliability and how important that is for our
Mhm.
industry, for sure.
Yeah, and then of course, there's our mechanical seal line, okay? And we manufacture a variety of different styles of mechanical seals for rotating equipment, pumps, mixers, agitators. And, Chesterton's been known for innovations in this area. First company to produce cartridge seals. And of course, in this industry, it's, our 442 family of split seals is industry renowned, okay? We are the top of the heap. And yeah, I'm a little bit biased, but we're the top of the heap when it comes to split seal technology. And then, there are instances where customers and clients don't necessarily want to use mechanical seals, and they want to use packing as a solution for sealing a shaft through a piece of rotating equipment. And when it comes to packing, Cheston is providing a variety of different packing solutions for probably the whole 140 years that we were talking about. So
Yeah.
we've been there. And what we're really excited about this year is we're going to be showcasing what's called AMPS, which is an automatic packing system, in which what this does is it automatically loads packing in rotating equipment, which reduces maintenance, it reduces leakage, and enhances safety, okay, by allowing remote land load management. That's key. So in very, very hard to reach areas where it might be difficult to access, this takes away that whole issue completely. So we're really excited about this for WEFTEC in 2024. And then last but not least, our newest entree to our product line family is our condition monitoring tools that we have. We released the Cheston Connect back in 2020. We like to call version 1.0. And that really focused on the mechanical seal area. Well, at WEFTEC this year, on October 7th, we certainly want people to come around to our booth and take a look at not only Connect, not only AMPS, but also all the other products that we have. And those products are really geared to addressing the challenges that you find in the water and wastewater industry today. We talk about aging infrastructure. We talk about, managing maintenance costs, energy costs, water management, water consumption. Safety is always the big issue. And we do all this in the context of meeting environmental regulations. So, those are the things that we geared our product lines around, addressing those sort of challenges and giving customers fantastic solutions to address those.
I love that. I love, absolutely the variety of products and the knowledge that y'all have there from the years of experience in doing this and taking care of customers. Also, you're certified. You got the NSF 61 certification, correct?
Oh, we certainly do. It's interesting. You don't want to pile on to a pretty bad event that took place back in 2014 in Flint, Michigan, right? And all the issues associated with the potable water systems back then. Interestingly enough, 2 years before Flint was a household name, Chesterton had embarked on our NSF 61 certification program for mechanical seals and a lot of our coatings. So we were ahead of the curve back then. We knew that the issues associated with aging infrastructure and the impact it could have on potable water systems, and that certification issues are going to be primary in the eyes of the public. That's when Chesterton started our strategy in getting our products certified to NSF 61.
Well, I love it that you are prepared, you're ready, and at WEFTEC, everybody can come and talk to you and get their questions answered. Take a look at all these products on display, talk with experts. So I'm excited as well. I'll be there. Paul, thanks for being here today. How can people get in touch with you if they want to reach out before October?
Okay, you can reach me at paul.keough@chesterton.com. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody down in New Orleans and seeing a lot of my old friends and a lot of the familiar faces that, we've seen at the show year in and year out. And it's always a great event. And what the neatest thing about WEFTEC is I always walk away from that event picking up 2 or 3 new pointers myself. It's always a great learning experience. And come on by, and hopefully we can increase your knowledge and answer some questions for you.
Awesome. Thanks again, Paul. And for the rest of you, until next time, be empowering.